Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Falguni Nayar becomes India's woman billionaire. Mahindra plans to launch electric vehicles. API Holdings files draft for IPO. Now, the news in detail are: the founder and CEO of beauty platform Nykaa, Falguni Nayar, has become India's richest self made woman billionaire. This happened after her beauty empire crossed 1 lakh crore market capitalization on its listing debut. Indian automobile manufacturer Mahindra plans to launch 16 electric vehicles by 2027 across SUV and light commercial vehicle categories. PharmEasy parent company API Holdings has filed a draft red herring prospectus with market regulator SEBI to raise Rs 6,250 crore IPO. The issue will be only a primary sale of shares and the entire proceeds will go to the company. Zomato will likely announce investments in internet startups. The company is expected to announce investments in business discovery and rewards platform MagicPin, fitness startup CureFit, and logistics aggregator ShipRocket. Instagram has launched two campaigns to provide greater online safety to young users. Safes 3 will spread awareness about the safety features available on the platform, and MyQanun will inform users about the legal rights and protection available to them. Bank of Baroda recorded a 24% rise in standalone net profit, which stood at Rs 2,088 crore in the September quarter of the current fiscal, as against Rs 1,679 crore during the corresponding period of the last year. Expand has raised $1.5 million from several high net worth individuals as a part of its pre-Series A funding round. With the fundraising, Expand's valuation stands at $10 million. Hyderabad-based True Good has raised Rs 55 crores in a Series A round led by Oaks Asset Management. The D2C food tech startup plans to use the funds to expand in several Indian states, beginning with its existing base in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Agri fintech startup Unnati Agri has raised Rs 60 crores in a Series A funding round led by Incoffin Investment Management, NAB Ventures, and Oreos. The startup will utilize capital to strengthen its AI and machine learning tech offering for farmers and to expand the U-Store network. Mumbai-based health and wellness startup Mosaic Wellness has raised $24 million in a Series A funding round. Mosaic Wellness seeks to separate itself from the rest of the competition by its customer acquisition process. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.